You need what?
Impact.
Yes. Glued down pennies to the floor. Look at that rust all. Look at that. Look at all that high airflow. You should be tied off. There should also be rails.
I'm tied off.
No, you're not. It's gonna be another fan going right here. Better cut all this out next. That's the one we'll show y'all how to do.
Well, that's one in.
Look at that. Looks nice. Ah.
Oh,
You broke the rules. You can't remove the plastic.
That's a scratch. That's painful.
Yeah, it's gonna look like that here shortly. Can you buy those replacement caps or no?
Yeah. That should move quite a bit of air. We got one more to do. Once I get the ceiling in, I can mark it off on where I need to cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm not using
That, yeah, that's...
all that shroud.
Are you sure?
I'm fairly certain.
Come on, it could be a skylight.
Stay.
You had some,
Yeah, some of it came with me.
I think that was assisting in the holding of it.
It's electronic. It's not supposed to be manual. But it has a manual override.
Yeah. Well, that's okay. You just don't try to span it as fast as you can. It'll be all right. And what's that?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
No, we're worrying about it.
No, I'm not worrying about it.
I am.
I don't know why you should be worrying about it.
It's fun to worry.
Alright, I go measure out the other one now. CAD. CAD. Cardboard assisted design. Don't forget about that, kids.
Here.
Well, that should be dead center, right? Or is it not?
Yeah, you should be fine. No, I mean, it's not dead
I just
center.
need to be sure to cut it closer to this end.
Well, there's your well, look, here's your screws right here.
Yeah.
To give you a pointer.
Well, all
You said you
that's-
took those out.
No, I said I took the ones out for the strobe light. These I can't get out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. See how long it takes him to find this. Yeah, it'll be a while. I promise. Let's talk about our seat.
So we're putting in a roof vent, and I decided to put it here because I need to get rid of this, and there's already going to be a hole if I get rid of this. So I'm just going to cut out around this 14 by 14, the size of that roof vent, and go from there.
And you're going with an angle grinder?
Going with an angle grinder.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So it's in here somewhere?
Oh, I see it. It's about to fall on the ground, actually.
Hadn't fallen off yet?
No, it's about to fall on the ground like it's on a rust hole.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Why are you adding more holes? You're supposed to be patching them. I don't have gloves on.
That's okay.
No, it's not.
Alright, now I get to test if I cut right. I probably didn't, so I got to grind off these edges. But we'll see. So, you want to open up that box? Or I can come down.
I'll open it. I'll do something.
I have the camera now.
I was already down here unless you wanted to trade.
I'm the captain. There we go. Okay, we got it. I'm the captain now. Oh, you're looking out there. Okay, that's neat.
That's why I said this is convenient. Oh, so close. Well, not really. You're actually.
Whoa!
No.
So I need about...
1/4 inch. What size fans can I fit without fit? Fuck. Dude, you're so close. If you skimmed over the whole thing with a grinder, you'd be fine. It's so close. Oh, there it goes.
You may want to watch the lens. Now because the roof of the bus is curved, I got to build up a little bit of it on the sides. That way I can get a flat surface and it adheres to both sides fairly well. Get one on that side, one down here on this side. Ooh, just lost my angle grinder there. All right, so now I got the width all the way around, and I just need to build up these sides, so that way the fan will sit flush.
Wait, are you double layering it on there?
On this side and this side.
Okay.
All right, so then we set the fan in and screw it down.
You know how your screws up here, do you?
Nope, I brought them down to make sure I didn't spill them all over the place. Make sure your wires go in. Make sure you're in the hole. Now you're good to screw it down.
And put the fuse in.
You can get that on the other side. Just make sure you don't break it.
Nice flat edge.
Now if this was a customer install, I'd take a little putty knife, cut the edges off, and then we'll go to the next step.
And you said you're putting what around that to seal it again?
Lap sealant.
Lap sealant. Okay.
So it's a self-leveling sealant.
Okay. It's this stuff, right?
Yeah, that's what I got along the other seams.
Okay.
So
next.
that's next.
I was gonna say, so now we need to come here when it's raining its ass off next and see if it's leaking.
Yeah.
Snowball. The plastic. Trash the blade, that's all we got.
If you would kindly.
Oh, you're not gonna hand it to me?
Shit.
Asshole.
Like a champ.
Is it working?
Yeah.
I said you should not have to use that much force on it.
Boom, just like that.
Yeah, baby, we live.
Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up again. I'm gonna put down some lap sealant, which should be the final nail in the coffin for any kind of leaks this may have. It's okay if you don't get the base, because it will go down and do what it says it's supposed to do, which is a self-leveling sealant.
You're not gonna use your finger and mash it all in there?
Honestly, I probably will. If you do it correctly, you shouldn't ever have to change it out.
Last your lifetime.
Should last you a lifetime. And now I have 2 roof vents in my bus.
That's how you install it, huh?
I hope so. If not, I'm gonna have a couple leaks.
Right on.